Uh-oh. Hi guys, what's up? How are you? Here we go. क्या हो रहा है? हाँ. I'm sure a lot of people want to see I want to pull Surbhi's leg. She was giving me instructions, that अर्जुन ज़्यादा ऐसे टांग मत खींचना, ये मत करना, वो मत करना. मैंने कहा तू लाइव पे आ रही है, इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल भेज दे. How are you? I'm good. Sanam Khan, how are you, dear? I'm very good, Sanam. Thank you. Nice background. अच्छा है ये. Thank you, dear. Where is Surbhi? पता नहीं ये लोग घर में बैठे हैं फिर भी टाइम पर नहीं आते कहीं पर भी, है ना? You should be on time. ए नंदिश, कैसा है मेरे भाई? कैसन बा? Nandish, you were amazing in Super 30, I must say. Surbhi, I am here. Thank you. मजा आया टांग की जिंदगी.
Hi.
Hey Surbhi, hi.
You're telling
How
people
are
that
you?
I'm just giving you instruction manual? Like seriously? No.
कैसी? What are you doing, man? What is this? Don't say this, don't say that. ऐसे मत बोलना, बोलना कि मैं सुंदर लग रही
Because
हूँ. ये मत बताना. ये सब क्या है? ये बोल
yeah,
मेरी तारीफ करना. ऐसे कौन बोलता है सुरभि?
because one of the reasons that I love you is that you pull people's leg. You're very, very funny.
So अभी कैप टांग
Seriously.
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करके खींच रहा हूँ.
हाँ, actually. I like
हाँ,
your cap.
वरना थैंक यू डार्लिंग, थैंक यू सो मच. क्या कर रही है तू?
Very nice. I just had my tea. I have become very punctual because I have nothing else to
Oh,
do. So my breakfast is on time, my lunch, my tea, my dinner, my exercise, everything is just
I
on
wake
time.
up at 6:30.
Oh,
Okay. And the
really?
first thing I do is come in my balcony and I see this one kabutar every day. He's sitting and I make a video of him. That's what I do.
Wow. Really?
And yeah, there's this pigeon who, like these one or two pigeons who are always there for some reason.
Huh.
And it's quite cool actually.
Huh.
And they keep looking at me for some reason. Yeah. So when I
Really?
look at them,
Because they are scared that you're
वैसे
going
कुछ
to
करने
hurt
को है नहीं.
them.
No, they are not scared. Otherwise, usually ऐसे कभी pigeon के पास भी जाओ ना, तो they fly off. But this
Yeah,
guy is
yeah.
like there. He's sitting. He's watching.
Really?
He likes me.
Shit. I तो
Pigeons are
see
in
like
love
there
with
are a
me now.
lot of cuckoo birds, okay? तो सुबह शाम मतलब कू 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 होता है.
Even here, even in my
There are like parrots
this.
and
I think it's all over now. Suddenly you're seeing koyals going coo coo and
yeah.
uh,
और पता है
parrots
अभी
and
I think yesterday I just went for grocery shopping. The roads were so clean. The flowers जैसे road side पे होते हैं, those were like looking so good. They were like blooming as like never before. इतना अच्छा लग रहा था ना सफाई देख के. The air was so pure. The view there was like
yeah, there's no air pollution absolutely because
yeah, वो जो
factories are
flowers होते
shut,
हैं
everything is
road
shut.
side पे यार अर्जुन, those were looking so good. My मतलब मैं देख के मुझे ऐसा
Yeah, I
लगा.
mean, this is the positive side of it, of the lockdown and us not going out and ruining things. But
Yeah.
having said that, the downside is also very bad. Yeah, people have lost livelihoods and पता है ना तुझे कैसा है. But खैर, I'm sure सब कुछ ठीक होगा, सब कुछ अच्छा सोचेंगे तो सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. But तू बता,
Yeah.
तूने क्या किया इतने दिन, कैसे कर रही है तू?
यार
Hmm?
I think I have become more punctual. पहले ही थी मैं, पर अभी और हो
यार
गई हूँ।
देख, मैंने एक ब्लर सुरभि से बात करने के लिए, हाँ सुनना, थोड़ा तू ब्लर आ रहा है, तेरे वाईफाई के
What?
पैसे नहीं भरे क्या?
क्या?
मैंने कहा वाईफाई के पैसे नहीं भरे, तेरा बफर क्यों हो रहा है? चाइना का है क्या तेरा वाईफाई? See, so much better. People want people want to see the beautiful Surbi also,
Yeah.
no? So then again you're like, why is it buffering so much?
Is it?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Ah,
Otherwise it keeps going. Maybe some
oh,
network issue.
yeah. See, you also have a lot of plants, na?
I
In your
love
balcony.
plants, and even you love plants. I saw one picture of yours where you're gardening and stuff. So yes, I
हाँ
love it. You've
यार,
been home, so you know it. कि
yeah.
सही लगता है मुझे भी.
I तो love. हाँ यार, and
Kind of
अच्छा
very
लगता है.
soothing. चलना लोगों
The air
देखना,
is
लोगों के थोड़े मैसेज पढ़े क्या? देखना क्या पूछ रहे हैं तुझसे या मुझसे, जो भी
people
पूछ
are
रहे हैं.
asking about Ayan.
अयान, बुलाऊं क्या उसको?
हम्म.
वो आता नहीं
कहाँ
है
है,
यार,
क्या कर रहा
बहुत
है?
भाव खाता है, बहुत भाव खाता है, पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है. एक मिनट
Oh my God,
ना.
he must be
अयान,
getting all the attention na. Now you are also home.
yes, I think he's in his room playing. 1 second, let me just figure. Hey Ayan, what's up? Say, somebody wants to say hi to you. Can you just say hi, please? Say hi.
Ayan,
See,
hi.
he said bye. He said bye.
Hello.
He's learning something on some learning app. So,
Hi. How are you?
you're seeing him now so late? ठीक है, लेट चल रहा है क्या तेरा वाईफाई? ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है?
My God, listen, somebody is saying आपके अंदर एटीट्यूड आ गया है. मुझे कोई बोल रहा है आपके अंदर एटीट्यूड आ गया है.
तेरे अंदर ना, मुझे भी लग रहा है ऐसे. बहुत
Oh,
एटीट्यूड
just
आ
shut
गया
up. Jyoti Rawat is saying, please call my name, Suzy. See, Jyoti, I just said your name.
बहुत एटीट्यूड आ गया. नाम वाम ले सबके, बहुत गलत हो जाएगा सुरभि, ऐसे इट्स नॉट राइट यार.
Samreen and Haman and expert boy Sachin
चल, I'll take.
and
Okay, let me.
Shahmina, Twilight.
Deepa Rawat. Hi Surbhi, what are you doing these days? Surbhi, क्या कर रही है तू?
Arjun, just tell me one thing. Have you been cooking? Like, have you tried something new in this lockdown?
Yes, I made dhaba
Maggie?
chicken. I saw it on you.
Oh.
No. I made dhaba chicken, proper chicken I made.
Hmm.
मैंने खाया नहीं, लेकिन मैंने बनाया और सबने खाया. अरे यार,
तो
कहाँ चली गई तू? हाँ.
I know.
So, हाँ.
हाँ.
So and it was pretty good. Believe me, it was really nice. And it's very easy यार. Cooking इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. मतलब बड़ी बात है, but ऐसे देख के बनाओ ना, तो you can do it. इतना
You can,
there are some
लेकिन
dishes.
see, I'll tell you what, it's not that easy also. क्योंकि आपको बस पता होना चाहिए रेशोज कि किसके बाद क्या डालना है, किसको कितना भूनना है,
उतना
किसको
मुझे अब
कितना
अकल आ गई है. मैंने वो किचन चैंपियन, तू आई तो थी, so I've got that
Oh.
idea about मसाला कितना डालना है, नमक कितना
हाँ.
डालना है. So I have that अंदाजा. इनफैक्ट मैं नमक
हाँ.
थोड़ा कम ही डालता हूँ, तो
हाँ.
ज्यादा होने से अच्छा है थोड़ा कम हो, तो बाद में ऐड
कम
कर
हो.
सकते हो.
I agree.
Correct, you know,
Yeah.
that way. So I do
Oh,
that, and but I'm not
perfect.
cooking every day, obviously. कभी कभी मूड
हाँ.
होता है तो I cook यार.
हाँ.
मतलब and when, you know, when Neha panics if I go in the kitchen anyway, she's like, God
सब
knows what
गंदा
he's
कर
gonna do
दोगे.
types.
हाँ.
So मतलब मैं कुकिंग कैसे करता हूँ भाई, ये काट के देना, वो करके देना, ऐसा करके देना, मैं मिक्सिंग करता हूँ एक्चुअली.
हाँ भाई. But it actually the difficult part is सब कुछ wash करके chop करके रखना. That is the most difficult part.
बट वो तो नेहा मुझे कभी नहीं करने देगी यार. She'll never allow me to do all of that.
क्योंकि तुम गंद मचा दोगे.
She knows it will. नहीं, गन नहीं मचा दूंगा. She knows it will take forever. मतलब वो जो स्पीड के साथ
हाँ.
खाना भी तो है ना. ये नहीं कि सुबह
हाँ.
शुरू किया तो शाम को बन गया खाना, ऐसा तो नहीं करना.
Yes.
तो फटाफट she
Yeah.
wants to do it fast ना, because then
हाँ.
because we are not like cooking for a show. We are really cooking and going to eat that also. So
Yeah.
Ayan, you know, Ayan has his own time and everything, so we got to cook accordingly and stuff like that. So the other day my the cook called up and he's like, भैया मैं आप लोगों को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ. So sweet he
है?
was.
Really?
He's like,
Oh,
हाँ. He's like,
my God.
ये कब खत्म होगा भैया? And he was
See, it's
so,
difficult. I know it's
you
difficult for
know, he
everybody,
was
you know.
so, and I know that, you know, somewhere he was feeling कि शायद you know अभी काम मेरा होगा कि नहीं होगा, लोग रखेंगे नहीं रख, you know, बहुत लोगों को डर लग रहा है ना
Yeah,
कि
that's true.
you know कि how things are going to shape up. So I said कि and मेरा सबसे यही एडवाइस है कि जितना हो सके DJ Akil, what's up? He's saying, Arjun, I want to eat your cooked food, bro. Done. And so, oh,
No,
where was
see,
I?
of course, I also want to appeal that, you know, please don't fire your
Yeah, so yeah,
staff.
we should, you know, like, keep them, like,
And
you know,
of
you should
course,
not
keep
fire.
giving them their
I
salary,
know,
keep giving them, keep helping them, man. It's a situation. We are all in this. And
yeah, you know, I don't know how many people can actually afford doing that, and you know, there are too many logistics into that. But I'm just saying कि do your best is what I'm saying. जितना जिससे
yeah,
जितना हो सके maximum उतना करो, because
yeah.
ये नहीं कि किसी किसी को you cannot like you don't know what's हर किसी की situation अलग है सुरभि, हमारी अलग है,
I
किसी
know.
और की अलग है.
No, I'm
So you
saying
really
that
cannot
as much as
force anybody कि
possible.
नहीं हाँ ऐसा
No,
गलत
I'm
ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो
absolutely,
गलत है.
absolutely. But I'm saying that we all
Yeah,
are in this
just
situation together. So it's
people
not that
should just
कि
do their best. Yeah.
yeah, तुम जितना जिसकी help कर सकते हो, you know, just think for everyone. We have to have, you know, each other's back.
Yeah,
We are all in this situation together. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी एक क्लास पे कुछ ये टारगेट हुई है
yeah,
सिचुएशन.
yeah.
We all are in this together. So might as well जितना हो सके, let's not back
Yeah,
out.
and
Let's
I
just
think the
help each
more
other.
privileged people थोड़ा जो लोग लाइफ में हाँ लाइफ में
हाँ,
जो
yeah,
लोग बेटर कर रहे हैं
हाँ,
उनको अपने से कम जो मतलब कम बेटर कर रहे हैं
yeah,
या जिनको
yeah,
अभी दिक्कत हो रही है इस टाइम
yes.
पर उनकी हेल्प करनी ही चाहिए. आई थिंक फॉरगेट फॉर एनी अदर रीजन फॉर एनी ब्राउनी पॉइंट नहीं, बट आई थिंक एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग यू शुड डू इट. मतलब अगर ये नहीं
Absolutely.
करोगे तो फिर एंड यू नो
Yeah, 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 yeah.
लाइक मेरी मम्मी तो हमेशा मुझे बोलती है कि लाइक you know God has given you life not only for yourself but for others. So whenever you have a
Absolutely.
chance to make a difference in somebody's life, one should. So and that doesn't apply to me, I'm sure it applies to every person. And if everybody starts doing that, we are sorted.
No,
we
you
don't
know,
we don't we don't
you
need anything, you
feel
know.
good. You help a person, you feel good. It's like it's really it's
नहीं,
good
I'm saying
karma. It's just,
नहीं
you
वो
know,
तो
and
नेकी नेकी कर दरिया में डाल वाली चीज होनी चाहिए, लेकिन
yeah,
आई एम सेइंग कि अभी they need it, you know, right now, and you don't
yeah,
and even when corona gets over, I think this helping nature should continue. Like, you know, everybody should just become more warmer as a person, you know. We had
yeah.
become thoda, you know, we were running away from a lot of reality. I think it just brought us to reality ki what are the essentials in life, what do people basically require, you know. All
See,
of
मैं
us
वही
require
सोच
those
रही थी
basic
आज जब
things.
मैं ग्रोसरी लेने के लिए गई अर्जुन, you know, everything was shut. You know, these fancy कपड़ों की दुकानें, fancy shoes and bags and everything.
हाँ.
And I've realized कि क्या चाहिए? The basic is food. We all need food, you know. तो मैं वही सोच रही थी that आप मिडिल क्लास से हो, लोअर मिडिल क्लास से हो, अपर मिडिल क्लास से हो, all you need right now is food. You know, basic requirements सबकी एक जैसी होती हैं यार. So I think in difficult times, in good times, we shouldn't forget this. है ना? We should be really grateful
Yeah.
for all our blessings, what we have. But secondly, as you said, it's absolutely correct that we should just help each other यार. मतलब वो this is something which actually makes us human.
Hmm.
You know, तो
True
वो
that,
help.
and I'm sure, abhi everyone is doing it also. I'm sure a lot of people are, and I've
Yeah,
seen it. You see it on TV, you see it in the news. People are coming forward, and you know,
yeah,
people are,
doing a lot.
doing it,
Yeah,
and the other, and I appreciate everyone who is there on this chat and who'll probably see it later. That thank you so much, guys, for helping whoever you are.
yeah.
I think we all are doing a great job in it, and we should pat our own backs also, and somebody else's who's doing it, and feel proud that we
Uh,
have the courage,
just
and
I just want to say
we
that.
are the humanity is still alive, that we are there for each other. अच्छा सुरभि, तू फिर से कट रही है, मतलब यू आर बफरिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय स्क्रीन. हाँ अभी आई तो। क्यों ऐसे क्यों किया तूने? वाईफाई के पैसे क्यों नहीं भरे सुरभि? See again this kabutar is come. I'll show you. See this. अभी वो सारे आने लग गए, दिख रहा है तुझे? Can you see this? Hello. Can you see this? क्या होता है यार ये? तेरा अब क्रैक हो रहा है आवाज, I don't know. Somebody is jamming our live session, I think.
Goodness, my Wi-Fi is.
Are you back? Are you back?
I am. I'm sorry.
सुरभि,
Yeah.
तू ऐसे फोन सामने क्यों नहीं रखती? नीचे क्यों रखा हुआ है? हाँ. See, you look
Better?
better this way.
Listen, a lot of people are saying that we should just do something together. We should work together.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, why not? And
Yeah.
I'm sure something will come
We
up.
have worked together. Like you
Video कर
came in
लेते हैं.
Nagin 3, so they were like,
Yeah. हाय हाय तेरा नेटवर्क. Okay, by the time you figure your Wi-Fi connection, I'm just going to talk to people because हाँ आ गई. क्या 4 days? Oh, she's going to reconnect because Wi-Fi के पैसे इस टाइम पे जरूर भरने चाहिए. शिवांग, okay, मैं जानू शिवांगी, okay, रिप्लाई, मीनाक्षी आई. स्लो मोशन चल रहा था ना? हाँ, स्लो मोशन. या सुरभि मैम, ये कबूतर यार मेरे से चुरा गया यार, तो आपको दिखाऊं क्या? देखो कैसे आ गए, देखो. हे व्हाट्सअप. यही रह गया अभी. से चेतना, हाय चेतना. नाइस कैप, थैंक यू. अरे सुरभि कहाँ गई? मैं भूल ही गया. 1 मिनट रुको. सुरभि हाय भेज यार. हाँ आ गई.
I'm so sorry. मैंने पूरे पैसे भरे हैं यार. मैंने पूरे पैसे भरे. I have no idea why it's happening.
क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा?
I'm so sorry.
क्या है? तेरी
Honestly, I'm
बालकनी?
so sorry.
हमको
क्या?
तेरी बालकनी तो दिखा, लोगों को तेरी बालकनी तो दिखा.
बिल्कुल नेटवर्क नहीं आएगा.
तेरी बालकनी दिखा ना सबको.
How do you do this? Like
जस्ट
this will
टर्न
be
द
fun.
कैमरा ना, दूसरे साइड पे कर देना. सेल्फी मत दिखा. जस्ट there's a on your अब बालकनी भी बफर हो रही है तेरी. दफर. बाप रे. रहने दे, मत ही दिखा. ये देखने से अच्छा. यस. थैंक यू. बहुत क्या
हाँ
व्यू
और
था यार.
बताओ.
मतलब क्या दिखा. सब कुछ दिख गया
नहीं
मुझे.
दिखा ना
पूरा
या
बॉम्बे दिख गया.
बिकॉज वहां पे तो नेटवर्क आता ही नहीं है यार.
अबे यहाँ
दैट
पर नहीं है.
साइड तो नेटवर्क मिलना.
जहाँ पर होना चाहिए वहां नहीं है, तो तू वहां कहाँ लेके चली गई? बोल नहीं सकती थी नेटवर्क नहीं है?
या
लेकिन
फिर
कोशिश
मुझे
अच्छी
लगा
थी.
था कि
इंसान
यू
को
जस्ट
कोशिश नहीं
वांट.
छोड़नी चाहिए. थैंक यू सो
है
मच.
ना. दैट्स ट्रू.
ओके, सो तूने कुछ स्पेशल डिश विश बनाई?
Not really.
यार मैं पता है मैंने जो भी बनाया ना, सॉरी सॉरी यू गो एंड सॉरी मैंने पूछा और
No,
फिर खुद
I'm
ही
just
जवाब दे
saying
दिया.
that I'm just saying that मैं ना कुछ बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा कुछ फैंसी नहीं करना चाहती थी, okay? But the
Same है, when
basic,
I'm just cooking
I'm a
basic.
vegetarian, so I've been.
हाय भगवान, सुरभि एक आंख दिख रही है अब उसकी, ऐसे अटक गई है. सोचिए. Are you with me guys? I know you all can see me for sure. So we'll chat till the time she's back. Oh, there you are. Wow, Surbhi, this has been amazing. Again, she's at count. Okay.
I really owe you guys an apology. I owe you an
No, I'm
apology
sure
to Arjun. I am so
we
sorry.
are in all we have all the time to forgive you. Don't worry.
You are being so patient.
Yeah, I'm just nice, loving it. I hear one word in every 5 seconds, so I'm understanding exactly what you're saying. Surbhi, सुरभि लुका छुपी खेल रही है. सुरभि देख तेरा फैन क्लब क्या कह रहा है. कार्टून है यार. आपका होम बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. थैंक यू. ये किसको बोला आपने, मुझे या सुरभि को? सुरभि को तो दिख नहीं रहा है. सुरभि नहीं दिख रही है तो होम कहाँ से दिखा? हे शावर, व्हाट्स अप? हाँ क्या सुरभि, मैं क्या, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. दिस इज अ वन साइडेड कॉन्वर्सेशन मैन. हाँ, यू आर बैक और नो?
I
तेरी
am.
शक्ल देखने
I'm
लायक
just
है.
saying that I
तू सॉरी भी मत बोल क्योंकि 100 पे अटक जाता है.
I am so sorry. I have
तू सॉरी भी मत बोल
He
क्योंकि
is
100 पे
so bad.
100 पे अटक जाता है और री हमको आधे घंटे बाद सुनाई देगा. हे भगवान बेचारी. ओहो हो. चलो. Hi from Sana from Morocco. Hey man, what's up? Arjun, we won. What moment? शावर भी हंस रहा है. शावर देखना यार क्या करे वाईफाई का इसका. हाँ, you're back. Hey, welcome back. कैसी हैं आप? Hey सुकृति, what's up? सुकृति, Angel, Sukriti, why don't you sing? Actually, I should, one of these days, Sukriti, we'll do one live thing and I want you to sing. क्या? हाँ? कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, मुझे सॉरी मत बोल. I am okay. You have to, and you don't have, I mean, it's okay. It's a network issue. You can't help it, यार. बेचारी ट्राई कर रही है, सॉरी बोले जा रही है. It's okay. It's okay, Surbhi. Don't be sorry. We have all the time. We can do this some other time. Surbhi left because clearly she doesn't have network. So thank you guys. I think it was fun. We shall continue when we are in better network because I kind of have to go for a Z5 thing and so I'm gonna go on Zoom now. So guys, anyways, thank you so much. It was lovely. And Surbhi, it's okay. Don't be sorry. I still love you. God bless. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay without Wi-Fi. Take care. Bye.